Good afternoon, all. Today we are in a fourth day of this workshop that is on innovation and entrepreneurship acumen in engineering education. Through this workshop, we are trying to connect different threads so that we can weave together a basic understanding in relation to innovation and entrepreneurship and how in practical life we are able to understand this and implement these things in our practical life so that innovation and entrepreneurship can be an accessible dream for many people. So good afternoon all. Today we have two sessions lined up for us. Now I would like the first session speaker, Dr. Santosh Kumar Sahu, to begin today's day. So I would like to introduce him. Dr. Santosh Kumar Sahu is Assistant Professor of Economics at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Madras, Chennai. He completed his doctoral research at IIT Bombay. He is a research fellow at Initiative for Sustainable Energy Policy, John Hopkins School of Advanced International Studies, Washington, D.C., USA. He has publications in international and national journals in the area of foreign direct investments, environmental policies, farm-level productivity, and export. His research interest lies in the areas of applied energy economics, industrial ecology, and applied microeconomics. He concentrates on issues of energy efficiency, energy policy, and economics of pollution. So today I would like him to address the gatherings and give us a glimpse about what it is all about innovation and growth of entrepreneurship in emerging economy. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Baghel, for introducing me to the participants. In fact, I'm really happy to be a part of this. And I must congratulate Professor Baghel for taking all, her time to kind of, connect with me and of course connect with many other experts at the time of pandemic where probably it's very difficult to get people on board. And also her institute to support this activity as one of the important activities, because yesterday when I was going through the website, I saw this activity lined up in their calendar. So I'm really thankful to her institute, her faculty colleagues, and those who have supported her in this program to make it successful. Also the participants who joined us today, and of course they're joining from last couple of days on various themes and various thematic areas. Now, as Professor Baghel has already indicated, I'm an economist by training and I teach economics. I would like to kind of browse through the concept and the ideas of innovation and growth of enterprises in Indian economy, and particularly for the emerging economy context. At any point of time, if you feel it's been getting a little tough, let me know. I'm there to kind of discuss and debate. Of course, I have also tried my best not to make it very complex in terms of economics applications. But what I have tried, in fact, I must again thank Dr. Baghel, because of her, I was able to write this piece. In fact, I'm probably going to try for a paper now, because I thought, let me do something interesting, which will be really kind of addition to my CV as well in terms of understanding innovation and growth of enterprises. Based on my research interest, I generally look in terms of energy efficiency, productivity, and other stuff. I don't look at innovation as an aggregate way. But this opportunity given by her drove me to look at different dimensions of enterprises. When they innovate, they become productive, they become export oriented, and they sustain in the market. So thank you, Dr. Baghel, for this additional work that you have given me, where I'm able to write something new. Coming back to the presentation that I'll be discussing today, I have tried to get some data from the CMI Prowess to showcase to the participant how we can